Do you think saving money is enough to become wealthy? Think again. Keeping your money in a bank account might feel safe, but every year, it could be quietly losing value. Let's uncover why saving alone isn't enough. Saving is important. It gives you security, but saving alone won't make you rich. In this beginner guide, I'll explain why step by step and share simple finance tips to make your money grow. Next, we learn about the limitations of saving. Most people think saving money is enough. They put cash in a savings account or under their mattress. Here's the problem. Inflation. Inflation is when prices rise over time. If your money earns 0.1% in a bank, but prices increase by 5%, your money loses value every year. So even though your balance grows slightly, your purchasing power shrinks. Another limitation. Money in a bank doesn't grow significantly. It won't make you financially independent or help reach long-term goals fast. Let's talk about how investing changes the game. The solution is simple. Invest your money. Investing lets your money work for you. Instead of just saving, your money can grow through stocks, mutual funds, bonds, real estate. Even small amounts invested consistently can grow into a substantial sum over time. This is why beginner guides always emphasize saving plus investing. These are the common mistakes you must avoid. Mistake 1. Thinking saving alone is enough. Mistake 2. Jumping into investments without learning. Mistake 3. Taking out investments too early before they grow. Avoid these mistakes and your money can grow safely and steadily. How to balance saving and investing. Step 1. Build an emergency fund, enough for 3 to 6 months of expenses. Step 2. Save for short-term goals, like vacations, gadgets, or education. Step 3. Invest for long-term growth, retirement, wealth creation, financial freedom. Savings protect you. Investments grow you. Both together give you financial security and freedom. Imagine two people. Person A saves $200 a month in a savings account. Person B saves $200 a month and invests it wisely. After 10-20 years, person B has much more wealth even with the same monthly contribution. The secret isn't earning more. It's making your money work for you, not just storing it. So here's the big question. Will you just save money, or will you make your money grow? Comment below. Are you ready to start investing while saving, or will you keep only saving for now? Your financial future depends on this choice.